Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. D-Wave Quantum stock rose 10.1% on Monday. The stock's volume has increased significantly in the last 2 trading days, and the stock price has also risen further, but the stock price still seems to have not peaked. The stock's intraday price rose as much as 17.6% on Monday, and the stock price retreated sharply in the late trading, but it still retained some gains at the close. This shows that although some funds flowed out of the market on Monday, long capital is still trying to maintain the stock price. The data shows that the daily capital flow of the stock was a net inflow in the 4 trading days before Monday, and the net capital inflow amount on Thursday and Friday last week was significantly increased, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. The capital flow of the stock on Monday was a net outflow, but the net outflow amount was not large. This shows that some funds flowed out of the market when the stock price was high during the intraday trading on Monday, but the amount does not seem to be large. Despite the significant increase in trading volume in the last 2 trading days, most of the current positions of the stock are still distributed in the $4.47 to $7.69 area. As the stock price rises further, the position volume in this area has not decreased significantly, which indicates that the long capital that has driven the stock price up has not yet withdrawn from the market on a large scale. But if the stock price rises further, then the stock will enter the pressure area. Because the stock has currently accumulated a large number of profitable positions, this will put a lot of pressure on the stock price to rise further. In summary, I think the stock will rise further, but the upside seems to be small. Because there is still a lot of long capital in the market that has not yet exited the market, there is still reason for the stock price to continue to remain high. But the signal of capital selling on Monday was also very obvious, which means that the market's bullish sentiment is declining. This may once again lead to a sharp pullback after the stock price has risen, so I set the target price of the stock at around $14. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for D-Wave Quantum stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.